My dear students, today we shall start a new chapter, Playing with Numbers. This is the part 1 of the chapter 3. The first topic of the chapter is factors and multiples. Let us check what are factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So, if I divide a number by another number, if there is no remainder, then it is called exact divisor. Let us check some examples to explain about factors. Question number 1. Find the factors of 24. What I have done, in the right side of the page, I have divided 24 by 1. I shall try to divide the number 24 by different numbers, natural numbers. So 24, if I divide 24 by 1, I get 24. I have done the calculation, you check it. If I divide 24 by 2, I get 12. If I divide 24 by 3, I get 8 and there is no remainder is 0. Again, if I divide 24 by 4, I get 6. But next number, that is 5, I cannot divide 24 by 5 because there will be remainder. So next number I shall check, that is 6. If I divide 24 by 6, I get 4. But we have got this pair earlier also. If I divide 4 by 6, 24 by 4, we got 6. Again we are dividing 24 by 6, we got 4. So this pair we have got already. I have shown with the black arrow mark. So I shall not take this pair. Now after I get the repeated value, after I have started to get the repeated value, I shall stop the calculation here, and in the mains section I shall write as 24 equal to, the first pair I shall write 1 into 24, then 24, second pair I shall write 2 into 12, again third pair I shall write 3 into 8, 24 equal to 3 into 8, again next pair is 4 into 6. I shall not write the fifth pair 6 into 4 because already I have written 4 into 6. If I write 6 into 4, it will be repeated. So I shall stop writing the factors here itself. Then starting from 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, I shall write the factors. From starting from 1, I shall write the factors and I shall finish it at 24. So factors of 24 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Number 2, find the factors of 32. Again, I shall divide 32 by 1. I got 32. I have written it in the right side of the page. If I divide 32 by 2, I get 16. 32 is not cannot be divided by 3. So I shall not do any division by 3. I shall go to the next number, that is 4. If I divide 32 by 4, I get 8. Next number is 5. I cannot divide 32 by 5. There will be remainder. Next 6. With 6 also we cannot divide 32. 7 we cannot divide 32 by 7. If I divide 32 by 8, we get 4. But we have got this pair earlier. If I divide 32 by 4, I get 8. Here, if I divide 32 by 8, I get 4. So, this pair I shall not write. So, I shall stop my calculation here itself and start to write the factors in the main page. 32 is equal to 1 into 32. 32 is equal to 2 into 16. 32 is equal to 4 into 8. Therefore, the factors of 32, if I start from 1 to, it will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Question number 3. Find the factors of 12. First, you divide 12 by 1, you get 12. Then, you divide 12 by 2, you get 6. If you divide 12 by 3, you get 4. If you divide 12 by 4, you get 3. But this is repeating, because if we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. If we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. So, I shall stop the calculation here itself. So, I shall write 12 equal to 1 into 12, 12 equal to 2 into 16, 12 equal to 3 into 4. Therefore, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Let us check some properties of factors. Property 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So, 1 is factor of all the numbers. If I find the factor of 4, I get, if I divide 4 by 1, I get 4. If I divide 4 by 2, I get 2. So, if I write the factors, it is 1, 2 and 4. As 2 is 2 times, I shall write 2 only once. So, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Here I can see that 1 is factor of 4. So, 1 is factor of every number. Property number 2, every number is a factor of itself. So, here in the example I have written above, I can see that factor of 4 is 4. So, factor of 100 is also 100. So, factor of each number is factor itself. Property number 3, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. So, all the factors of a number is less than or equal to the number. Factor cannot be greater than the given number. Property number 4, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. I have mentioned in the beginning that what is an exact divisor? If there is no remainder, then that is the exact divisor. To be a factor, it should be an exact divisor. So, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. That means if we divide 4 by 1, there is no remainder. If we divide 4 by 2, there will be no remainder. And if we divide 4 by 4, there will be no remainder. That means 1, 2 and 4 are exact divisors of 4. Property number 5, every number has finite number of factors. So, there is countable number of factors of a number. So I can see that number of factors of 4 is 3. 1, 2 and 4. 3 numbers. Number of factor of 12, which I have found the value. What is the number of factors of 12? That is 6. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the properties, important properties of factors. So I have given you homework. Find the factors of number 1 6, number 2 9 and number 3 15. Our next topic is multiples. The multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying it by natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. We shall try to understand this by assuming an example. If we multiply 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like these numbers, what I shall get? If I multiply 3 by 1, I get 3. If I multiply 3 by 2, I get 6. If I multiply 3 by 3, I get 9. If I multiply 3 by 4, I get 12. If I multiply 3 by 5, I get 15. Therefore, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. If I continue this multiplication to bigger number, the number of multiples will be more. So, we can have infinite number of multiples for a number. Now, let us check some properties of multiples. Property number 1, every number is a multiple of itself. So, if I take an example of 5 I can write it as 1 into 5. So, 5 is a multiple of 5. Property number 2, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So, the multiple of a number can be greater than or equal to the number. Example, multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. The smallest multiple is the number itself 6, while the rest are greater than 6. Property number 3, every number has infinite number of multiples. If I multiply 1 into 1, that we shall get 1. If I multiply it by 2, I shall get 2. If I increase the number, I shall get more values. So, there is no finite number of multiples for any number. I have given you question to find the first 7 multiples of 5. Solution is 7 multiples of 5, I can write it as 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 2 equal to 10, 5 into 3 equal to 15, 5 into 4 equal to 20, 5 into 5 equal to 25, 5 into 6 is 30, 5 into 7 is 35. So, therefore, 7 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Next question, 5 3 multiples of 2. Solution, 3 multiples of 2 is 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, 3 multiples of 2 are 2, 4 and 6. So, I have given you classwork to find 6 multiples of 4 and question number 2, find first 10 multiples of 9. So by the evening you submit your classwork and homework. So this is all for today's class. Have a great day.